Ebyabaho obw'akakiiko k'ebyobwegese babantu babwanaho n'ab'ekitongole ky'ebyamagara aha nshonga z'okwihaho ishomo erya Registered Comprehensive Nursing.
Ministry of Health directed in 2021 that students should not be admitted to these courses. If these children are not recruited, will all this money that they are going to pay be refunded to them by government?
Abanyeishengyero nibagira ngu ekyakorwa abanya-Uganda bingi nibiija kugira obuzibu omu by'entaasya zaabo.
And they wish to upgrade at an appropriate time. Will they be given an opportunity to go ahead and upgrade?
Abanyeishengyero abarikushutama aha kakiiko aka ekitenso eki bakigambaho kandi tibarikukihagira.
Omu bantu abaita baburiijo twakumanya obunansi nubu twakumanya comprehensive nursing. So eki kyabaho n'ekintu kikwenda ngu itwe nk'abembezi tugaruke tukiganiire tufune ekihikire kyenyine.
Konkiye twakireba nk'ekintu kibakozere bakupapa abo kuba rero bagira ngo kose je kayetandikire kuza ngo ehereze art skills kusanga abana bari skilled mu bya midwifery, primary health care na nursing ngo base gukora omararo gitu bw'ibyaro kandi abo benshi bagishazira mbakagiyeho kandi tukine bizubyo mu byaro.
Obuzarisa kamba hicho kurebera nko kuzarisa yego echo oyegecho nondija yege kindi ukikwate ugire mu bukugu so that omushaho nobo yakubatariho iwe no basa kukikora iwe nkanasi konka tokakikora abo kuba toyine bukugu bw'amani abo abwejo kose ibabire nibaturani bakora ya comprehensive certificate in nursing.
Of course, some of them they had to go back to train for 6 months to build on that gap that has been said that there was a gap. But otherwise, they are very critical. They are training, they are being in the service, and they are offering services. The most important thing now here is we need to resolve this matter.
Gasha kwa Jime Muhumza, Omar Kampala.